Oh, hi guys, welcome back. Here's how you can remove background from a picture in Lightroom Classic, a photo editing program. We're going to be doing this manually. I recommend using Photoshop or Canva to remove background more effectively. But here we have a picture of this camera. We're going to select the camera and then remove the background. To do this, go to develop and then go to masking, click on it, and then all you have to do now is to head over to brush, make sure that the feather amount is lesser, just like this, and then you select the area. Select the area first within the edges of the camera, and then you get to select the edges of the camera after this. And then all you have to do now is to select these, just like so. What you're going to do now is to make sure that the edges that you highlight are sharp. Do it slowly. Make sure you tick the box for show overlay so that you know the area that you are coloring. I mean highlighting, that's to say. If you want to delete some parts of your highlighted area, hold the Alt key and then you simply erase the area. Just like this. Then when you're done, invert the mask, right click, and then click on invert mask 1, and then all you have to do now is to go under and then increase this part of the curve, and then turn it off just like this. Pretty simple, but you know, you get the picture. Well, the background is removed just like this. The main thing is that we select the area of the camera and then we inverted it, and then we increase the brightness of the background so that it's bringing you the sense that the background has been removed. That's how you can remove background in Lightroom Classic. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. From me, it's good day. Ciao.